Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to do your Canon PIXMA G650 Wi-Fi setup? In this video, I'll show you how to connect your printer to Wi-Fi using the manual connect. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the displayed numbers. If you're sticking with the video, let's get started. Press the setup button. Under the setup menu, select the Wi-Fi setup method. On the Wi-Fi setup screen, scroll to Manual Connect and press OK. Wait for your printer to search for available Wi-Fi networks. If you find these steps easy to follow, subscribe to our channel. If you're facing any other problem with your Canon printer, please let us know in the comments. Once the printer displays Select Router, scroll and select your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network again to enter the password. Enter your password, then press and hold the OK button to apply. Select Yes to apply again, then wait for the printer to connect. Wait for the printer to connect. After the printer is connected to Wi-Fi, press OK again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.